Do you want to diversify your mutual fund investment portfolio? Then Flexi Cap category would be a right choice for you. A Flexi Cap fund comes under equity mutual fund category. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Some mutual fund schemes invest in stocks based on the market capitalization. Here are the common types of mutual funds based on the investments in the market spectrum. Large cap, mid cap, small cap, large and mid cap, flexi cap and multi cap. Here our focus is on flexi cap category. Flexi cap funds. They invest a minimum of 65% in equity and equity related instruments. In general, mutual funds invest in stocks focusing on a particular market cap based on the fund category. Like large cap mutual funds focus on top 100 stocks. But flexi cap funds are dynamic equity schemes that invest across large cap, mid cap and small cap stocks. Fund manager can invest freely under any market cap without any restrictions. He can choose stocks with good track record and growth potential. Blue chip stocks helps in stability, while small-sized and mid-sized companies helps to maximize the return. Now let us see how FlexiCap funds be placed in your fund basket. If you are not interested in picking small or mid-cap where the risk is on the higher side but ready to take moderate risk, then you can pick FlexiCap funds. The minimum investment horizon for holding these type of funds is 5 to 7 years. Before choosing a FlexiCap scheme, check the fund strategy suits your temperament. Some funds focus on maximizing the return, while some funds focus on stable growth in the long run. Make sure to choose a fund that is in line with your risk tolerance and investment strategy. Now let us move on to the taxation of FlexiCap funds. While redeeming the FlexiCap funds, it is taxed based on the holding period. The holding period is 1 year. For redemptions within 1 year are treated as short-term capital gains and it attracts 15% tax. If the holding period is more than 1 year, it is long-term capital gain. When the long-term capital gain exceeds 1 lakh in a financial year, then they are taxed at 10% on the amount exceeding rupees 1 lakh. Overall, we would like to conclude that FlexiCap funds has a leeway to capture the best available opportunity depending on the market trend. The only point that you should bear in mind is that do not exit the investment for short-term volatility. There may be short-term underperformance, but try to stay invested to reap the benefit in the long run. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.